Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making Enchilada Meatball Casserole. That's right, a casserole with all the enchilada dinner parts in one. The first thing we're going to do is start preparing the sauce. The sauce is made of dried chili peppers that have to soak in hot water for about 2 hours. And they can do that while we make the rice and the beans. We're going to be using the Instapot to make the Spanish rice and to make refried beans. We'll cook the rice first with vegetable base, tomato powder, and soup vegetables. Once the rice is done, take it out of the Instant Pot, put it in a bowl, rinse out the Instant Pot, and put in the beans. The beans don't need to be soaked, but they need a lot of water. A garlic clove, bay leaf, and epazote, a Mexican herb. If you don't have epazote, you can use dried oregano instead. After the chilies have rehydrated, remove them from the liquid, but don't throw that liquid away. Put the liquid into the blender with vegetable base, onion, and seasonings. After it's blended, we add Armenian red pepper paste and cook the sauce down for about 20 minutes. When the beans are done, to give them lots of flavor, melt a pat of butter with some ham base, using a cast iron skillet to do this. If you don't eat pork, of course, you can omit the ham base. I like to crush my beans with a potato masher, then smooth them with an immersion blender. Now that the sauce, beans, and rice are done, it's time to assemble the casserole. First, put a little of the sauce on the bottom of the casserole dish. We're going to layer this almost like a lasagna, and a lasagna pan is fine to use. Put a layer of corn tortillas, then more sauce. Then spread the beans on and sprinkle cheese on them. Add another layer of tortilla and sauce. Spread the rice on top and sprinkle cheese on the rice. Add another layer of tortilla and sauce and sprinkle cheese over that. Place the meatballs on top. Sprinkle with more cheese, more sauce, and top with the remaining cheese. Cook the casserole in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes or until the meatballs have reached an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Remove the casserole from the oven and let it settle for at least 10 minutes before cutting into it. Garnish it with green onions and serve with sour cream and all the fixins. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on The Good Plate. Bye-bye. Yum, yum.